PNW Blanks and Sublimation DTF Pin Create members, it's Dawn, and today is our Product Spotlight Friday, and I'm super excited to show you a new item that Anna has, and we just made it active on her website, pnwblanksanna.com, or you can go to pnwsub.com, and that is the landing page for all the sites, for all the great blanks that PNW has to offer. But what I'm going to show you is this cute new fishing lure. So it comes in this nice gift box, and you're just going to open it up, and you've got your sublimation piece, which is two-sided, and then it has your beautiful fishing lure. And this is so pretty. And this is a real fishing lure, so these are sharp, so it's got the plastic on it, so you can just leave that on there. And it's got a little clip. So I'm going to show you one that I just did, and then we're going to do one together. And Jessica with Southern Strands is making a bunch of designs for these. So this one was super cute. I thought she made, and they're two-sided. So this is my favorite fishing buddy calls me daddy. And then they just clip onto here. And you can put them on here, you can put them on here, or you can just put it on the clip. I'm just gonna put it on there. And then you have your fishing lure. How cute are these? So we're gonna do one of these together. And I like they come in this nice box. So this one is my favorite fishing buddy calls me uncle. So we're going to do that on one side. And this is like two older people where that one was at. And then we're going to do a picture on the back. So I want to see how that turns out. So I created the template, but Jessica, with her design, I just used that kind of as the template too. I made it just a little bit bigger so that it goes all the way around and I won't get any white. So all I'm going to do is put that on there. I've got my Cascadia Pro set to 380 for 60 seconds. And then I'm just going to tape this down. So just tape it down. I've got medium pressure. Make sure that's taped down good. Got my blowout paper. Just gonna put it in there. Paper side up. With my Cascadia Pro. Like I said, just medium pressure, nothing hard. And while that's going, I want to show you a couple other things that are available that are on Anna's site, but shipping for me from Tennessee. So the fishing lures will ship for me, the lanyards, and Leanne with Abby Rain Creations just did a really cute cruise design for the lanyards. So I'm going to do that because I'm going on a cruise here soon. So I'm excited for that. So check those out. We've got the graduation tassels that you put on your tassel. These could go on a wedding bouquet, anything that you want to put a memorial picture on and clip it to. So we've got limited quantity of those, and then also our 2023 graduate keychains. And we just got a restock of the fans. So all of these products I've done a tutorial on, and so check those out. All those are on Anna's website, but shipping for me from Tennessee. So, and you want to put your glove on because this is hot. Oh, that came out so cute. Get it to where you can see it. But we're going to do the other side. You want to let it cool because if you put tape right on top, sometimes it does pull it off. I've noticed that when I did a dog tag a while ago. So we're going to let that cool down, and then we're going to do our picture side. I'm excited to see how that turns out with the picture on it. But these are the fishing lures. I just think they're so cute. And you could do girl designs. I mean, there's a ton of different things that you can do for these. Oh, also, if you have not gone to Elena's website, she's got a ton of stuff on clearance. So check out all the great things that she has on clearance right now. You can get super duper great low prices at pnwblankselena.com. And she's got a link to a clearance section, so check that out. And there's just been a bunch of stuff new restock. So just check out all the websites, get all the great blanks that we have to offer. Got, you know, all different kinds of tumblers, of course, but then other things also. Oh, I just made, I'll show this while we're waiting for this to cool down. I just made this. This is a, I think this is Melissa's design, our featured designer tumblers with Melissa. But I just made a Night Bright tumbler with this design on it. How cute is that? I love these Night Bright tumblers. They're so much fun. Okay, so once it's cooled down, we're just going to put our picture on the other side. I think I'm going to do it like this. And I'm just going to kind of put it in the middle. Make sure I get the picture. And this I just drew a little rectangle box. Bigger, just a little bit bigger than the fishing lure. So I'm just going to take that down. And I'm going to put that on there. And my Cascadia Pro has the pull-out drawer. It's got the auto function that you can turn off and on. It's my hefty girl. Can't wait to see how this one looks. All right. So I'm trying to think what else. What else do we have going on? It's the weekend. I'm so excited about that. Oh, we had the pre-order for the 40-ounce colored handle tumblers on on Anna's site. I got the powder coated tumblers in. Those are being shipped out to the pre-orders, and we were missing one box. So once that box comes in, I will put them on the site for ready to ship for people to be able to purchase. And just lots of great stuff going on. We've got about 13 seconds left. And like I said, make sure you wear a glove because these are hot. But they are super, super cute. Oh, it's so cute with the picture. So, these are up and available now on Anna's site. Like I said, pnwblankselena.com or go to pnwsub.com. That's the landing page for all the sites. Check out all the great things we have. And the Jessica, like I said, with Southern Strands, is doing a bunch of designs for these. So, make sure you join her page. Check out all the designs. She has the All Access Pass. I would recommend signing up for. I love it. So, have a great weekend, y'all.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!